The internet has revolutionized the way we live, work, and shop. It has opened up a world of opportunities for entrepreneurs to reach a global audience. Selling online is no longer a luxury, but a necessity for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a seasoned retailer or just starting, the internet offers an unparalleled platform to showcase your products or services to a vast customer base. Imagine reaching millions of potential customers from the comfort of your home. That's the power of online selling. It breaks down geographical barriers. You can connect with customers across cities, countries, and continents. This allows you to grow your customer base exponentially. Online selling also offers incredible flexibility. You can manage your business from anywhere with an internet connection. Set your own hours and work at your own pace. This is a far cry from the traditional brick-and-mortar model. It empowers you to be your own boss. Finally, online selling can significantly reduce overhead costs. Forget about expensive rent, utilities, and staffing costs associated with physical stores. Selling online allows you to operate with leaner expenses. This can lead to higher profit margins and a faster path to profitability. Online selling is simply the process of selling goods or services over the internet. It's like having a virtual shop front that's open 24/7. Customers from all over the world can browse your products, place orders, and make payments all with a few clicks. This virtual storefront can take many forms. It could be a standalone website, a profile on an online marketplace like Amazon or Etsy, or even a social media page. The key is to have a platform that showcases your products or services in an appealing and accessible way. One of the biggest advantages of online selling is its convenience. Customers can shop from anywhere, anytime, without being restricted by opening hours or geographical location. This makes it easier for them to buy from you, increasing your potential sales. Another benefit is the ability to target specific customer groups. With online advertising and marketing tools, you can reach the people who are most likely to be interested in your products. This targeted approach can lead to higher conversion rates and a better return on investment. The beauty of online selling is that you can sell almost anything. Whether it's physical products, digital goods, or even services, there's a market for it online. The key is to identify a product or service that aligns with your passion, skills, and market demand. Physical products are tangible goods that need to be shipped to customers. This could include anything from clothing and accessories to electronics, homeware, and handmade crafts. Digital products, on the other hand, are intangible goods that can be downloaded or accessed online. This category includes ebooks, online courses, software, music, and digital art. Services encompass a wide range of offerings, from consulting and coaching to writing, web design, and virtual assistants. If you have a skill that can be delivered remotely, you can sell it online. Choosing the right product to sell is crucial for online success. It's not just about what you're passionate about, but also about what people are willing to pay for. The sweet spot lies in finding a product that solves a problem, fulfills a need, or caters to a specific interest. Start by identifying problems you face or observe in your daily life. Is there a product or service that could make your life easier or solve a common problem? If you're struggling with an issue, chances are others are too. Once you have a few ideas, it's time to conduct market research. This involves analyzing the demand for your potential product or service. Look for trends, keywords, and competitor analysis to gauge the viability of your idea. Use tools like Google Trends, keyword research tools, and social media. Listening to understand what people are searching for and talking about. This will give you valuable insights into market demand and help you refine your product offering. Section 5. Building your online store from platform to product pages. Once you've identified your product, it's time to build your online store. This is your virtual storefront where customers will browse and purchase your products. Choosing the right platform is crucial, and there are several options available depending on your budget and technical expertise. If you're just starting, using an established e-commerce platform like Shopify, Wix, or Squarespace is recommended. These platforms offer user-friendly interfaces, customizable templates, and built-in features that make it easy to set up and manage your online store. For those looking for more customization and control, building your own website using platforms like WordPress with WooCommerce is an option. This requires more technical knowledge but offers greater flexibility in design and functionality. Once you've chosen your platform, it's time to create compelling product pages. These pages should showcase your products in the best possible light with high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and clear pricing and shipping information. Section 6. Attracting customers. Spread the word far and wide. Building a great online store is only half the battle. The next step is to attract customers to your site. This involves implementing a multifaceted marketing strategy that includes both free and paid methods. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is crucial for driving organic traffic to your website. This involves optimizing your website content and structure to rank higher in search engine results pages, or CRPs. Use relevant keywords, create high-quality content, and build backlinks to improve your website's visibility. Content marketing is another effective way to attract and engage potential customers. Create valuable and informative content, such as blog posts, articles, videos, and infographics that educates your target audience and positions you as an expert in your field. Social media is a powerful tool for connecting with your target audience and driving traffic to your website. Create engaging content, run contests and giveaways, and interact with your followers to build a loyal community around your brand. Paid advertising, such as Google Ads and social media ads, can give your website an immediate boost in visibility. These platforms allow you to target specific demographics and interests, ensuring that your ads are seen by the right people. Section 7. Order fulfillment. From click to happy customer. Once a customer places an order, the next step is to fulfill it efficiently and professionally. This involves processing the order, packaging the product, and shipping it to the customer's address. Streamlining your order fulfillment process is essential for customer satisfaction. Consider using order management software to automate tasks, track inventory, and generate shipping labels. This will save you time and reduce the risk of errors. Shipping costs and delivery times can be a major pain point for online shoppers. Offer a range of shipping options to cater to different needs and budgets. Clearly communicate shipping costs and estimated delivery times up front to avoid any surprises for the customer. Customer service is paramount in online selling. Respond to customer inquiries promptly and professionally. Address any issues or complaints with empathy and efficiency. Providing excellent customer service can turn one-time buyers into loyal customers. Section 8. Growing your business, scaling new heights. Once your online store is up and running, the next step is to scale your business for growth. This involves analyzing your website data, optimizing your conversion rates, and automating tasks to improve efficiency. Use website analytics tools such as Google Analytics to track key metrics like website traffic, bounce rate, conversion rates, and customer behavior. This data will give you valuable insights into what's working and what's not, allowing you to make data-driven decisions. Focus on improving your website's conversion rate, which is the percentage of visitors who complete a desired action, such as making a purchase or signing up for your email list. A/B test different elements of your website, such as headlines, images, call to action buttons, and checkout process to identify what resonates best with your audience. As your business grows, automate repetitive tasks to free up your time for more strategic initiatives. Use tools for email marketing, social media scheduling, customer relationship management, and accounting to streamline your operations and improve efficiency. Section 9. Avoiding common pitfalls. Navigating the online marketplace. While online selling offers tremendous opportunities, it's also important to be aware of the potential pitfalls and challenges. Understanding these challenges and how to overcome them can increase your chances of success. One common mistake is neglecting market research and choosing a product without sufficient demand. Thoroughly research your target market, analyze trends, and validate your product idea before investing significant time and resources. Another pitfall is underestimating the importance of high-quality product photography and compelling product descriptions. Invest in professional photography or learn the basics of product photography to showcase your products in the best possible light. Write clear, concise, and benefit-driven product descriptions that highlight the value proposition of your offerings. Poor customer service can also make or break your online business. Respond to customer inquiries promptly and professionally. Go the extra mile to resolve issues and exceed customer expectations. Finally, be prepared to adapt and evolve as the online marketplace changes. Stay up to date with the latest trends, technologies, and best practices to stay ahead of the competition. Section 10. Start selling online today. Your entrepreneurial journey begins now. Embarking on your online selling journey can be both exciting and daunting. But with the right mindset, resources, and a willingness to learn and adapt, you can turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. Remember, the most important step is to start. Don't let fear or procrastination hold you back. Take that first step today. Start researching your ideal product, choose an e-commerce platform, and begin building your online store. The world of online selling is vast and constantly evolving. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and never stop learning and growing. Now is the time to join the millions of entrepreneurs who are already thriving in the online marketplace. Start building your online empire today and watch your business soar to new heights.